On Slovenian roads, every year dies more than 80 people. Police issue a lot of punishments, also to asylum seekers. In this video, we are giving you some basic traffic rules in Slovenia. Everyone has to take care of safety, also pedestrians. It's not allowed and it's punished to cross the road out of the marketplace. Drivers in cars predict that you respect traffic lights, so they will not be paying attention if you will cross the road with red light. We don't walk on bike lines and on the road if there is pedestrians line. In Ljubljana, a lot of people cycle, also in winter time. Your bike needs to have working brakes and front and back lights. We can cycle only on the bike line if there is snow on the right side of the road. On the bike line and on the road, we always cycle the same direction like cars and other traffic. In pedestrian zone, we have to cycle more carefully and with the speed of pedestrians. During the cycling, we are not allowed to listen to music. It's the same if we are on the ski rope. Children up to 8 are not allowed to cycle alone. The same is for children up to 14 if they don't pass bicycle exam. They pass it at primary school. All of them, they have to wear a helmet. There is a lot more rules which are written for our safety. But if any accident would happen or if you saw it, call police on 113.